Hello, my name is Benjamin Vargas. I am a CAT 128 student, and I created a Python script that interacts with Atlassian, Jira, and Confluence servers and the APIs from Atlassian. The purpose of my script is to search all the overdue tickets that may be in the backlog in Jira. After that, create a file, a comma-separated file, with the list of all the overdue tickets. Those are the tickets that are past their due date, their expected due date, when they were supposed to be solved. But for some reason, they're still not solved or they're still open. So the purpose of the script is to bring them back to a person's attention to be able to work on those tickets. So it searches for the tickets, puts them in a list in a comma-separated value file, and also signs into Confluence server and uploads the file to a Confluence page. So here's how it works. Here we have our code. So I'm going to go ahead and run it. So the script has already run, so we're going to check for the file and make sure that the file was created. So it's currently being saved to my documents. And as we can see here, this is the file that was just created by the script. So we're going to go ahead and also check the Confluence server to make sure that the file was not only created but also uploaded to the Confluence page. So we're going to go to the attachment, and as we can see, it says file on this page have changed, and this means that the file has just been uploaded recently. So we're going to reload the page, the Confluence page, and check on the attachment section. And as we can see, we already have one attachment in here, which is a comma-separated value that we just uploaded. If we click on that, we can see that it was recently uploaded to Confluence. And here we have the file name. Probably should come up with a more descriptive name, but since it's basically the script is also supposed to send a message in the form of email. However, I was not able to work on that code block yet, so I'm just going to submit it as it is. And there it is, the Python script that searches for Jira overdue tickets, creates a list, a comma-separated value list, and puts it in a CSV file, signs into Confluence server, and uploads that file to Confluence. Thank you. That's it.